In the mystical realm of Japanese mythology, the story of Amaterasu, the sun goddess, has been celebrated for generations. This tale begins with her divine birth. From the left eye of the god Izanagi, Amaterasu emerged, enveloped in radiant light. Her arrival was a celestial event, marking the dawn of a new era. Soon, Amaterasu ascended to her celestial palace in the heavens. From there, she cast her brilliant light across the world below, bestowing life and vitality upon the earth. Her warm rays were a source of joy and prosperity, painting the landscapes in hues of gold, red, and orange. Yet, the harmony was disrupted by her brother, Susanoo, the god of storms. Their intense confrontation saw the clash of Amaterasu's light and Susanoo's tempestuous energy. Distraught by the conflict, Amaterasu retreated into a heavenly cave, plunging the world into darkness. The absence of her light brought cold and shadows, casting a somber atmosphere over the earth. In a bid to restore balance, the gods gathered outside the cave, devising a plan to lure Amaterasu out. The divine strategy was lively and intricate, with preparations for a grand ritual and celebration. Central to the plan was the goddess Uzume. She performed an enchanting dance full of joy and life outside the cave. Her festive energy was captivating, enticing Amaterasu to peek out from her self-imposed exile. The triumphant moment came when Amaterasu stepped out of the cave, flooding the world with her brilliance once again. Her return brought warmth and joy, rejuvenating the earth and its inhabitants. The sacred mirror, Yada no Kagami, played a crucial role in this event. Reflecting Amaterasu's light, it symbolized her eternal presence and the divine connection to the imperial family. With her light restored to the world, Amaterasu bestowed her blessings, transforming the landscapes into vibrant, flourishing paradises.